Synthroid. Levothyroxine tablets. Hypothyroidism affects millions of people worldwide. Synthroid is a medication used to treat it. Learn about its benefits and administration. Warning: this video is for educational purposes only. An expert advice of a qualified healthcare professional is always required to diagnose or treat any medical condition. Overview of hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism affects the thyroid gland, causes a decrease in hormone production, results in fatigue, weight gain, and other symptoms. What is Synthroid? Active ingredient: levothyroxine sodium. Function: replaces the missing hormones in the body. Brand versus generic. Synthroid is the brand name for levothyroxine sodium. Availability: available in tablets and oral solutions. Benefits of Synthroid: more effective. Synthroid is more effective than other thyroid medications. Better absorption rate: it has a higher absorption rate than other medications. Less side effects. Synthroid causes fewer side effects than other thyroid medications. Dosage and administration. Dosage is based on age, weight, and severity of hypothyroidism. It is advised to take it in the morning on an empty stomach. Administer at least 4 hours before or after drugs that are known to interfere with absorption. Side effects of Synthroid. Adverse reactions associated with Synthroid therapy are primarily those of hyperthyroidism due to therapeutic overdosage, arrhythmias, myocardial infarction, dyspnea, muscle spasm, headache, nervousness, irritability, insomnia, tremors, muscle weakness, increased appetite, weight loss, diarrhea, heat intolerance, menstrual irregularities, and skin rash. Synthroid has a narrow therapeutic index. Overtreatment or undertreatment with Synthroid may have negative effects on growth and development, cardiovascular function, bone metabolism, reproductive function, cognitive function, gastrointestinal function, and glucose and lipid metabolism in adult or pediatric patients. Side effects of Synthroid continues. Decreased bone mineral density may occur as a result of levothyroxine over replacement, particularly in post-menopausal women. Addition of levothyroxine therapy in patients with diabetes mellitus may worsen glycemic control and result in increased anti-diabetic agent or insulin requirements. Initiation of thyroid hormone therapy prior to initiating glucocorticoid therapy may precipitate an acute adrenal crisis in patients with adrenal insufficiency. Use of oral thyroid hormone drug products is not recommended to treat myxedema coma. Interactions. Synthroid has interactions with drugs and foods that affect thyroid hormones. Anti-diabetic therapy. Oral anticoagulants. Digitalis glycosides. Antidepressant therapy. Ketamine. Sympathomimetics. Tyrosine kinase inhibitors. Soybean flour, cottonseed meal, walnuts, dietary fiber may decrease absorption. Conclusion. Synthroid is an effective medication for treating hypothyroidism. It is more effective, has a better absorption rate, and causes fewer side effects than other thyroid medications. However, it can interact with other drugs, and patients should be aware of the potential side effects. It is important to talk with your doctor to find out if Synthroid is right for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.